Hello, this is Daniel with Earth-Based Institute, and today I want to cover some logistical information about our cohorts and calendar dates for our coaching program that some of you have been asking some greater details about. And I want to go through with you some of the specifics of calendar timing within each cohort that we offer and how that can help you start to figure out which cohort you would like to join with us. So first off, I want to take you to our essentials page here for Earth-Based Institute. And if you scroll down, you'll see this button that says Program, Structure, and Flow. And if you click on it, it will take you to this page that has a breakdown on this big green button right here of our calendar of intensives. And if you open it up, you'll see a breakdown of all the calendar dates for our current cohorts as well as upcoming cohorts in our coaching program. And you can easily see all of the dates for the intensives on this chart here. And what I actually want to do is open it up here because, as I've shared before, we have cohorts that begin every January, March, June, and October. And our January and June cohorts start the first intensive in person with us. But then after that, you can choose if you want to do the other intensives in person or online. And then our March and October cohorts start off online, and then with the rest of the intensives, you get to choose if you want to attend in person or online as well. And the only difference really being that first intensive is online compared to in person. And for those of you that are curious about our upcoming summer and fall cohorts, our June cohort starts in June, and then the next intensive after that's in September, and then after that in December. So they're about roughly every 3 months apart. And with these three cohorts, January, March, and June, the flow usually goes 12 months where, for example, if you start in June with us, you'll graduate and have your last intensive at the end of May of next year. And then with our October cohort, which starts online, we have a bit of another option for students that join this cohort where you start off online with us 4 days in October and then 4 days in November for that first intensive. And then you go into the flow of the next one being in December, which you'll join the June cohort with that as well. So it'll be two cohorts during that intensive, working and collaborating and learning together. But then as you see down here, there is an accelerated path that students can take in the October cohort where you can choose to take one of the intensives a little earlier, and you'll finish with the last intensive in May. So basically you'll start in October and you'll finish in May, and that's for students that want to take an accelerated path through our coaching program where instead of 12 months, it's 7 to 8 months. And in that same cohort, you can also choose not to do the accelerated path and stay on the normal path, and then you'll graduate and have your last intensive in September and finish right below that or before that 12-month period. So I just wanted to share this because people are really wanting to figure out what cohort they want to join and just have some questions about what this kind of breakdown is saying here. So hopefully this helps you in understanding the flow. And whenever you see two cohorts with similar dates, it just means that those cohorts will be learning and engaging together in that intensive. So hopefully this helps out. And This will help you think about which cohort you'd like to join, and knowing that October cohort that we offer has that opportunity for a bit of an accelerated journey through our coaching program where you can graduate and finish a little bit earlier if you'd like.